Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Coding. Today's video I'll try to talk about the screen recording features in the Redmi K40 device. The Redmi K40 device is also called as the Poco F3 as well, because both phones are using the same kind of processor and same kind of specifications. So even the screen recording features and all those things should be kind of same in both the smartphones as well. And make sure to subscribe and stay tuned friends for more interesting videos on this Poco F3. I did create a separate playlist for the Poco F3 users, so make sure to check that playlist in case if you're interested to buy this phone. So let's begin the test by just opening the screen recording application. So let me try to open the screen recording. So here's the screen recording option. So let me try to long press on that one. So once you long press on that one, it will take you to the complete menu of the screen recording. So in the screen recording, you do get the first option is a resolution. So here you can decrease the resolution from the 1080 to the 720, also from 720 to 480 as well. That's the one thing to know. And next is a video quality. So in terms of the video quality, can come up to 105 Mbps to the 1 Mbps. So these are the various video qualities you do have here. As you can see friends, by default it will be set to the 16, but in case if you want to use, you can use less as well. As you can see, from 1 Mbps to 105. That's a very good advantage in the screen recording, so which will help you to save a lot of space as well. In case if you are thinking of using more time if you want to record, this will help you a lot. And orientation, portrait or landscape, usually I'll leave it to auto. So sound source, mic or system sound, so that's another advantage. And fixed frame rates, and let's see the frame rates what you can record. So usually in the screen recordings we'll be seeing around 30 and 60 fps of recording, but the screen of this phone has 120 fps. So you will be able to only record up to 60 fps starting from 15, 24, 30, 48 and 60. So that's not the case in other smartphones. In other smartphone like the Mi11, so this is the Mi11 smartphone, so which has the screen recording up to 90 fps recording. So let me try to show you friends. So 90 fps recording is there in this phone, as you can clearly see, but there is no 90 fps recording in this Redmi K40 and the Poco F3 device. Unfortunately, that's the biggest drawback in this phone, as you can see friends. And next is lock screen to end, show touch gestures and visualize navigation buttons, and go back to the screen recording after the stopping of the recording. So these are the basic features, so there is nothing much new. So only thing is that in the video quality usually we'll be seeing only limited options, but here you do have pretty good options you can choose from. As you can see friends, the rest of the options are kind of same and unique, nothing much unique in this screen recording features. And for more interesting videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel friends, Sai Tech Guru, and you can just access the screen recording just by pressing this screen recording once. So that's it friends, this is a small review, and for more videos make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. Even for this live wallpapers, make sure to check the links in description. So thank you for watching this video friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.